Our planet is brimming with life in forms so varied, so unique, that they seem almost otherworldly. Nature's creativity knows no bounds, and today we embark on a journey to meet some of the most bizarre creatures to ever walk, swim, or crawl on Earth. From the depths of the ocean to the dense jungles and arid deserts, these creatures will challenge what you think you know about the natural world. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the most bizarre creatures in nature. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Facts Intrigue. Your support helps us continue exploring the wonders of our world, one fascinating fact at a time. The axolotl, the perpetual youth. The axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish, is more than just a scientific marvel. It's a creature of folklore and mystery. Revered by the ancient Aztecs as a symbol of rebirth and transformation, this amphibian holds a unique place in both nature and culture. Unlike other salamanders, which undergo metamorphosis and leave the water, the axolotl remains in its juvenile aquatic form throughout its life. This trait, known as neoteny, allows the axolotl to maintain its gills, giving it a distinct appearance. But it's their regenerative abilities that make the axolotl truly remarkable. They can regrow not only limbs, but also their spinal cord, heart tissue, and even parts of their brain. Imagine if humans could heal in the same way. This biological feat has scientists studying the axolotl in hopes of unlocking the secrets to regeneration. Yet despite their almost mythical resilience, axolotls face an uncertain future. Invasive species, pollution, and habitat destruction in Mexico's shrinking lake systems threaten their survival in the wild. They remind us of how fragile even the most remarkable creatures can be. From the lakes of Mexico, let us journey to the deep abyss, where an entirely different kind of bizarre beauty awaits. The anglerfish, the deep-sea lure. Few places on Earth are as mysterious as the deep ocean, and few creatures are as terrifyingly bizarre as the anglerfish. These denizens of the deep thrive in an environment of perpetual darkness, crushing pressure, and near-freezing temperatures. The most iconic feature of the anglerfish is the bioluminescent lure that dangles from its forehead like a glowing beacon in the dark. But how does this tiny light work? The anglerfish hosts a symbiotic relationship with bioluminescent bacteria that live in the lure. Together, they create an irresistible trap for prey in the lightless depths. Equally bizarre is the anglerfish's mating strategy. In a world where finding a mate is nearly impossible, some male anglerfish take an extreme approach. When they encounter a female, they latch on and fuse into her body, losing their eyes and organs in the process. The male becomes a permanent source of sperm, essentially part of the female's body. It's one of nature's strangest examples of adaptation. Despite their fearsome appearance, anglerfish are vital to the deep-sea ecosystem, showcasing how life finds a way even in the most inhospitable environments. Leaving the mysterious depths behind, let us emerge into the lush forests of Madagascar, where an entirely different type of adaptation reigns supreme. The leaf-tailed gecko, the master of disguise. In the vibrant rainforests of Madagascar, the leaf-tailed gecko reigns as the undisputed master of disguise. This extraordinary reptile can mimic the appearance of tree bark, leaves, or even moss to an almost supernatural degree. Its camouflage is so precise that even predators struggle to detect it, even when it's sitting in plain sight. How does it achieve this feat? The gecko's body is flattened, its skin textured like leaves, and its tail often includes notches and irregular shapes to enhance the illusion. But the leaf-tailed gecko's talents don't end at hiding. This nocturnal hunter uses its camouflage to ambush unsuspecting insects, blending seamlessly into its environment until the perfect moment to strike. Unfortunately, habitat destruction poses a significant threat to these incredible creatures. Without the dense rainforests they call home, the leaf-tailed gecko's remarkable adaptations may soon become a thing of the past. Our next creature trades subtlety for survival in one of the harshest environments on Earth, the Australian outback. The thorny devil, the desert survivor. The thorny devil, found in the vast red deserts of Australia, is a lizard uniquely equipped to survive its arid environment. Its spiny armor serves two purposes: protection from predators and collecting water from even the smallest sources of moisture. During cool mornings, dew forms on its skin, which then travels along grooves between its spines and into its mouth. But even more remarkable is the thorny devil's ability to drink water by simply standing in a puddle. Its skin channels water upwards through capillary action, a process so efficient it has inspired designs for modern water collection systems. While its diet is simple, consisting almost entirely of ants, the thorny devil can eat thousands of them in a single day. Its survival strategies remind us of nature's ingenious solutions to the challenges of life. From the unforgiving desert, we now venture to the Amazon rainforest, where one bird challenges our very definition of what it means to be a bird. The hoatzin, the stink bird. The hoatzin, also known as the stink bird, is a relic of evolution, unlike any other bird alive today. Its unique digestive system, which ferments vegetation in a manner similar to a cow, gives it a distinctive odor that deters predators. Even more intriguing is the hoatzin's lineage. Fossils suggest its ancestors date back tens of millions of years, making it a living reminder of Earth's prehistoric past. As chicks, hoatzins possess claws on their wings, an ancient trait that allows them to climb branches for safety before they develop the ability to fly. Despite its seemingly awkward appearance and peculiar smell, the hoatzin plays a crucial role in the Amazon ecosystem, reminding us that even the most bizarre creatures have their place in the web of life. The platypus, the mammal that breaks all the rules. Our next stop takes us to the rivers and wetlands of Australia, home to one of the most bizarre mammals on Earth, the platypus. At first glance, it seems like a practical joke from nature. This creature has the bill of a duck, the tail of a beaver, and the webbed feet of an otter. But the platypus's oddities don't stop there. Unlike most mammals, the platypus lays eggs. Even more shocking, it's venomous. Males have spurs on their hind legs that can deliver a painful sting. And as if that weren't strange enough, this creature hunts underwater by using electroreception, detecting electrical signals emitted by its prey. The platypus defies all conventional categories, reminding us that evolution isn't bound by rules. It's shaped by adaptation and creativity. From the rivers of Australia, we now venture to the skies of South America, where a butterfly with an unusual appearance steals the spotlight. The glasswing butterfly, the invisible marvel. Deep in the rainforests of Central and South America lives a butterfly so delicate it seems almost invisible, the glasswing butterfly. Its name comes from its transparent wings, which make it difficult for predators to spot. Unlike most butterflies with bold patterns, the glasswing's nearly invisible wings allow it to blend seamlessly into its surroundings. This camouflage isn't just a defense mechanism, it's also an elegant example of nature's ingenuity. But the glasswing butterfly's beauty isn't just skin deep. It's a highly resilient insect capable of traveling vast distances during migration, proving that fragility and strength often go hand in hand. Leaving the skies behind, let's dive back into the ocean to meet a creature so unusual, it looks like it belongs on another planet. The peacock mantis shrimp, the underwater boxer. Residing in tropical coral reefs, the peacock mantis shrimp is a true marvel of the marine world. With its vibrant colors and extraordinary abilities, it's one of the ocean's most fascinating predators. This small crustacean is known for its powerful punches. Its club-like appendages can strike with the speed of a bullet, creating shockwaves that can stun or kill prey. These punches are so forceful, they've been known to crack aquarium glass. Beyond its strength, the mantis shrimp possesses some of the most advanced eyes in the animal kingdom. It can see ultraviolet light and detect polarized light, granting it vision far beyond human capabilities. The peacock mantis shrimp is a reminder that size doesn't define strength or uniqueness. Now on to the highlands of Papua New Guinea, where a bird performs a dance unlike any other to win a mate. The Vogelkop superb bird of paradise, the dancing performer. In the dense forests of Papua New Guinea, the Vogelkop superb bird of paradise captivates the animal kingdom with its extraordinary courtship display. The male transforms its jet-black feathers into a dazzling blue and green oval, creating a surreal spectacle. But it's not just his colors that impress. His energetic, almost robotic dance moves are a carefully choreographed performance designed to woo a mate. This elaborate display highlights the lengths to which animals will go to ensure their genetic legacy. The Vogelkop superb bird of paradise isn't just a symbol of beauty. It's a testament to the wonders of evolution and the importance of communication in the animal world. The star-nosed mole, the underground marvel. Beneath the soil of wetlands in North America lives a creature that redefines bizarre, the star-nosed mole. Its defining feature is its star-shaped nose, made up of 22 fleshy appendages, each packed with over 25,000 sensory receptors. This nose isn't just unusual, it's a superpower. The mole uses it to detect prey with incredible speed, processing sensory information faster than the human brain processes visual input. In fact, the star-nosed mole holds the title of the fastest-eating mammal, capable of identifying and devouring prey in less than 300 milliseconds. This incredible adaptation allows the star-nosed mole to thrive in environments where other animals would struggle, making it a true marvel of the underground world. From the hidden world beneath the ground, we now turn to the treetops of Southeast Asia, where a creature that glides through the air appears more like a mythical dragon than a lizard. The Draco lizard, the flying dragon. High in the forests of Southeast Asia lives the Draco lizard, a creature that seems straight out of a fantasy novel. Known as the flying dragon, this lizard has evolved to glide gracefully between trees using wing-like flaps of skin attached to elongated ribs. These gliding abilities allow the Draco lizard to escape predators, hunt for insects, and navigate the dense forest canopy with ease. But what's even more fascinating is its territorial behavior. Males perform elaborate displays, flaring their brightly colored dewlaps to establish dominance. The Draco lizard is a perfect example of how nature's ingenuity can create creatures that defy our expectations, blending functionality with spectacle. From the air above the forests, we now venture to the dark, damp caves of Southeast Asia to meet a creature that defies the laws of physics. The cave glowworm, nature's living lantern. In the limestone caves of New Zealand and Southeast Asia, a phenomenon of bioluminescent beauty lights up the darkness. The cave glowworm, despite its name, is not actually a worm, but the larva of a type of gnat. These glowworms create silk-like threads that dangle from cave ceilings, glowing with an ethereal blue light. The glow is not for beauty, it's a deadly trap. Attracted by the light, insects fly toward the glowworms, only to become ensnared in the sticky threads. What makes this even more fascinating is the science behind the glow. It's caused by a chemical reaction involving luciferin and oxygen, a process similar to how fireflies light up. This living lantern is a reminder of how creatures adapt to even the darkest corners of the planet. As our journey nears its end, we move to the frozen wilderness of the Arctic, where one creature survives by wearing a coat that changes with the seasons. The Arctic fox, the master of adaptation. In the icy landscapes of the Arctic fox stands as a testament to nature's resilience. This small, agile predator is perfectly equipped to survive one of the harshest environments on Earth. During the frigid winter months, its thick white coat provides both camouflage and insulation, allowing it to blend seamlessly with the snow while staying warm in temperatures as low as -50 degrees Fahrenheit. When the seasons change, so does its coat, turning brown or gray to match the tundra's summer colors. The Arctic fox's diet is equally versatile. It feeds on lemmings, fish, and even leftover scraps from larger predators like polar bears. Its adaptability ensures its survival in a world where the environment is constantly shifting. The Arctic fox reminds us that the ability to adapt is one of nature's greatest strengths. The pistol shrimp, the underwater gunslinger. In the shallow, warm waters of coral reefs, there lives a creature with a weapon so unique it seems almost fictional, the pistol shrimp. Despite its small size, this shrimp packs an extraordinary punch, quite literally. The pistol shrimp's most notable feature is its oversized claw, which it uses to create one of nature's most powerful shock waves. When the shrimp snaps its claw shut, it generates a bubble that collapses with such force it can reach temperatures as hot as the surface of the sun for a fraction of a second. This snap stuns or kills its prey, which the shrimp quickly devours. But the pistol shrimp isn't just a deadly hunter, it's also an architect. Using its smaller claw, it digs burrows in the sand and often partners with gobyfish, forming a symbiotic relationship. While the shrimp maintains the burrow, the goby acts as a lookout for predators, ensuring the safety of both. This tiny underwater gunslinger is a reminder that even the smallest creatures can wield immense power. From the shallow reefs, let us journey to the forests of Madagascar, where a creature with an eerie appearance and unique abilities rules the night. Deep in the forests of Madagascar, under the cover of night, a creature emerges that has baffled scientists and inspired local legends: the Eye. With its large, glowing eyes, bat-like ears, and long skeletal middle finger, the Eye may look like something out of a horror story, but it is a fascinating example of evolution's creativity. The Eye is the largest nocturnal primate in the world, and it has developed a unique way of finding food. Using its long middle finger, it taps on trees to locate hollow chambers where insects might be hiding. Once it detects movement, it uses its specialized finger to extract its prey, much like a natural harpoon. In Malagasy folklore, the Eye is often viewed as a harbinger of bad luck, a reputation that has sadly led to its persecution. However, conservation efforts are helping to protect this remarkable primate, ensuring its survival for future generations to marvel at. Next, we move to the rainforests of Central and South America, where a bird has adapted to sleep in one of the most unusual ways imaginable. The Potoo, the master of stillness. In the dense rainforests of Central and South America, a bird exists that is so perfectly camouflaged it can sit in plain sight without being detected. This is the Potoo, a nocturnal bird known for its eerie appearance and uncanny ability to stay completely still. By day, the Potoo perches atop tree stumps or branches, aligning its body perfectly to mimic a broken tree limb. Its grayish-brown feathers provide the perfect camouflage, making it nearly invisible to predators. At night, the Potoo comes alive, using its large, round eyes to hunt for insects and small prey. But what's most fascinating about the Potoo is its haunting call. Its eerie, mournful sound has earned it the nickname Ghost Bird among locals, adding to its mysterious reputation. The Potoo serves as a reminder that in nature, survival often depends on blending in rather than standing out. Finally, we journey to the vast salt flats of Bolivia, where a tiny creature demonstrates the power of survival in one of Earth's harshest environments. The flamingo, the architect of color. The flamingo, with its iconic pink plumage and elegant stance, is one of the most recognizable birds on the planet. But beyond their beauty lies a remarkable story of adaptation. Flamingos thrive in environments where few other creatures can, highly alkaline lakes and salt flats. These waters are often inhospitable, yet flamingos feed on the tiny algae incrustations that flourish in such extreme conditions. Their vibrant pink color, a defining feature, comes from the beta-carotene in their diet. Without these pigments, flamingos would be white or gray. But their survival is not just about appearance. Flamingos are highly social birds, living in colonies that can number in the thousands, providing protection from predators. Flamingos are not just symbols of beauty, but also resilience, thriving in some of the harshest environments on Earth. And so we've journeyed through the strange and wondrous corners of the animal kingdom, uncovering creatures that defy logic, challenge expectations, and showcase the boundless creativity of nature. But our exploration doesn't end here. There are countless more mysteries waiting to be uncovered. If you found this journey fascinating, be sure to subscribe to Facts Intrigue, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with fellow curious minds. And why stop now? Check out another one of our videos to continue unraveling the hidden wonders of our world. Every watch, like, and share helps our channel grow, allowing us to bring you even more mind-blowing discoveries here on Facts Intrigue. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.